Hi guys, welcome to Food vs Sharma with me Suman. Friends, our nation is still fighting against coronavirus, so what we at individual level can do to build our immunity. I'll be sharing with you the easy immunity booster recipe which can be prepared at home. Let's watch out the recipe. Here I have taken around 1.5 glass of water, which will give me 1 glass of kada. To this we will add some basil leaf or tulsi patta. Tulsi has special place in Ayurveda. It has proved to be highly effective in protecting our body from various infection and viral disease. Then we will add 2 bay leaf and around 1 inch of ginger, which I have crushed in. Talking about bay leaf, it treats respiratory conditions, also reduces anxiety and stress. Also, we have included ginger as it has antioxidants which supports our immunity system. This drink has no side effects. So in the times like this, we should definitely have this drink and keep our immunity system up to the mark. Now we'll bring this water to boil. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. This golden spice is loaded with medical benefits. Now many doctors are highly recommending turmeric powder as it keeps the common cold and flu away. 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Consuming black pepper can help you in dealing with throat ailments. We'll keep this boiling until it is reduced to 1 glass. Basically, we want the nutrients to get infused in water. Turn off the gas and let it cool down. Now pass the drink through strainer. Add half teaspoon of black salt. 2 tablespoons of giloy juice. Giloy is considered as one of the best medicine. It is full of antioxidants which help to detox our body and improve our immunity. Next we will add honey. Honey can be used as both food and medicine. Raw honey can kill unwanted bacteria and fungus. Now mix all together. And our immunity booster drink is ready now. A small request to the viewers, be a responsible citizen. Do sip it up before you leave for the day. Just keep yourself safe. Drink enough of the water. You can also practice yoga and don't forget to put on your mask whenever you are going out. Guys, if you find this video informative, then give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming recipes. Until next video, goodbye.